What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. And yes, I'm at the car wash. I know I stay at the car wash, man, trying to keep this joint clean. But today's video, man, I saw something on YouTube today. This just had me thinking a little bit, man. I know I mentioned to you guys in one of my other videos. I hope y'all can hear me daggone. One of my other videos about me possibly changing the name of my channel. And the reason why is because we're gonna finish this video in a minute. I'm gonna get through this dry real quick. Man, golly, bro. Well, unfortunately, guys, I did not plan on. This is not what this video is supposed to be about. But unfortunately, man, our daughter was hit. Here's the damage. It's time for her to get another car, man. This car's been nothing but a headache, man. It wasn't her fault. Somebody just ran into her. As y'all can see, this joint, this car should be totaled. That wheel, that look like it's done. That's it, man. Waiting for the tow truck to come tow this joint. I am not happy about sitting on the side of the road on this highway like this. These cars moving, bro. So I'm about to get back in the car. The good thing is my daughter's alright. For the most part, like I said, for the most part, I think she's fine. We don't know. I guess you know how it is after an accident. The next day is when you really feel it. When you find out if you got any injuries or not. So we're gonna have to just pay attention to her, monitor her, make sure she's good. But now I'm sitting here waiting for the daggone tow truck. I had another video planned for you guys, but she called me upset, very upset. She just got her oil changed. She had just called me asking me what type of oil she should put in the car. Then a few minutes later, I get a call back. Anytime your child call you back to back like that, like immediately call you back, and you hear a bunch of yelling in the background or a bunch of noise, you know it's not good. But like I told her, man, accidents happen. That's why they call accidents. Good thing is she's okay. I ain't worried about that car. It's time for a new one anyway. So she was very upset though. She's always worried about bothering me, but she'll never bother me. That's my baby. That's priority number one. I don't care what I'm doing. I immediately stopped what I was doing and rushed up here to make sure she was alright. So yeah, guys, man. Unfortunately, this is a situation. So, but I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. Like I say, I'm waiting for the tow truck to get here. Who knows how long that's gonna take. Tow the car. I guess they had to come out and do an estimate. I know that car probably totaled, man. That car, that's a 2003. That car's super old. Even though that joint rode good, was nothing wrong with it. I mean, that car was perfect, as far as reliability, no issues. Y'all know when I first, if you've been following the channel for a while, you remember when I bought that car. My daughter ended up getting her license. I gave the car to her. So that's the situation, guys. So again, man, if this is the first time on the channel, man, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Unfortunately, this is not a good video. It's not a positive video. Even though it is positive because she's okay. She's alive. That's the main thing. Car can be replaced. I ain't worried about that car not one bit. Like I told her, I'm not mad at all. I'm zero mad. As long as I got here, she was alive and breathing, and I can hug her. That's all that matters. So again, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Finally, man, it's like 1:30 in the morning, bro.